Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Puja. I make beauty, makeup, fashion and lifestyle videos on my channel. So if that is what interests you, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the bell notification to get notified every time I come out with a new video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks on how to elevate your looks in just few steps and how to look a little bit polished and put together. So if you're interested, then let's get started with today's video. Okay, so let's begin with our legs first. So the very first step is to polish your shoes, heels, anything that you're wearing. So it's very important to polish your shoes in a regular basis. It's not necessary to wash it every single time you wear it because it is ultimately going to ruin it. But you can do one thing, you can take a cloth and take a little bit of sanitizer on it and a little bit of water, and then you can just rub on your heels or on your shoes, anything you want. This is not going to damage it, and also you're going to look put together in just few minutes. The next one is to apply a lipstick or a lip balm or any lip tints. So it's actually magical when you apply a lipstick. It just elevates the look instantly. Even if you're not wearing makeup, if you apply a little bit of lipstick, you are going to look amazing. And a quick hack is to apply a red lipstick. So red lipstick is always a go-to and a classic when it comes to looking gorgeous. So if your outfit is not feeling that good and if you're not feeling good, put on a red lipstick and trust me, you're going to look amazing instantly. Next hack is to tame your hair. So we all love that voluminous look. I usually like it, but to be very honest, when I want to look a little bit elevated, a little bit classy, I just always put on this hairstyle, that is a slick bun or a slick hairstyle. It just elevates the look instantly and it looks much more polished. So if you want to put your hair down, you can always use some hair serum and your hair is going to look gorgeous. Do not just step out of the shower and leave your house. That is not a good look, to be very honest. Now the next hack is to moisturize your face as well as your entire body. So we usually moisturize our face on a regular basis, but a lot of people usually do not moisturize their body, and I cannot stress enough on this particular point. If your face is looking amazing and your body is looking dry like a Sahara desert, it is not going to look good, trust me. So put some effort to moisturize your entire body as well as your face. It is going to elevate your look instantly. Moving on to the next one, the next tip is to maintain your nails. So I have seen a lot of women who have chapped nails, and it is not a good look, to be very honest. Try to maintain your nails, and for that I'm not telling you to go to a nail salon every single week or every single month. I have never visited a nail salon in my entire life, but still I know how to maintain my nails. So it's very important to apply some oils on your hands. It's very important to trim your nails the same length, and if you're wearing a colorful nail polish, try to make it look presentable. And if you do not want to go for some colorful nail polishes, try to stick to neutral tones. It is always going to look amazing, and neutral tones looks very good with almost every outfit. So I would suggest you to go with neutral tones. Okay, so the next step is to wear a perfume. So I am guilty of this particular habit, to be very honest. I do not usually wear a lot of perfumes on a regular basis, but recently I've started using it on a regular basis. Previously, I used to think that I do not smell bad, so why just waste money on perfumes? But it's very important to apply some good quality perfume, and it's even better if you apply a single perfume every single day so that it becomes your signature perfume. And if someone remembers you with your scent, it's a very beautiful and sweet memory. I'm not saying you to invest a lot of money on perfumes. You can get a lot of cheap alternatives which smells amazing like high-end product. To try to invest in some good quality perfume and wear it every single day. Now the next hack is to wear dainty jewelry. So I have seen a lot of women wearing chunky bracelets, chunky earrings, necklaces at the same time. It's not a bad look, but it's not a good look either. So try to invest in some dainty pieces like this one that I'm wearing. This is from Miniso and it is not that expensive. Try to invest in some good quality dainty pieces, and you can always layer dainty pieces. You can wear dainty rings, dainty necklaces, and dainty earrings. Also, try to maintain one particular metal. For example, if you're wearing a golden pendant or a golden chain, try to wear some golden rings as well. Do not wear silver and golden at the same time. It doesn't really look good. So if you're wearing silver, try to wear everything in silver, and if you're wearing gold, try to wear everything in gold. Moving on to the next one, the next hack is to invest in good quality watches. So I have bought this watch very recently, and this is from Giordano, and this is this gorgeous looking watch. As you can see, it has a little bit of rhinestone detail on top. So this was pretty expensive, but you do not have to invest in a very expensive watch. But if you find an amazing looking watch that matches your aesthetic, go and invest in that particular watch. It is not going to disappoint you, and it is going to stay for a really long time. So any kind of outfit looks good with a good quality watch, and it elevates the look instantly. So try and invest in some good quality watches. You can also pair this up with some bangles or with some bracelets. It would look amazing as well, but keep in mind that it should be dainty and not something very heavy. The next hack is to show off your neckline. So I've seen a lot of girls talking about showing off their body when they want to look gorgeous and elevated. But even if you're wearing full outfits and if you're showing your neckline, it is very gorgeous, trust me. You can apply an oil on your body, or you can apply a little bit of highlighter on your collarbone, and it is going to look amazing. I don't know, it looks so gorgeous and dainty at the same time. Your collarbone is going to help you stand up in a particular crowd. So trust me, it is a really amazing hack that I usually like. I usually go for V necks, or I do not wear round necks that I feel do not look nice on me. But if you are a round neck girl, try to wear something that is a little bit deep neck, and it is going to look amazing. I'm not telling you to show your cleavage. That's not the thing here, but you can show off a little bit of your collarbone and it would look amazing. Okay, so the last two tips is not actually materialistic. It is actually something that comes from within. So it's very unattractive if you see someone screaming in a particular room. You know what I mean? It's very unattractive. So try to be quiet and try to maintain a conversation with someone, but maintaining a good pitch of voice. It is good to maintain soft voice when you're having a conversation with someone. That is very attractive, and men usually like that kind of woman who do not shout in the top of their voice. The very last hack is to spread positivity and don't be negative. So this is actually something that comes from within. We all like to stay surrounded by people who spread positivity, right? And we are humans, we do not have a perfect life. Even if you're stuck in something that you are not able to come out, try to invest some time to think about the positivity from the negativity. I have been studying about this for a while now, so I can say that to you that we all can find a little bit of positivity from every negativity in our life. We do not have a life of a princess, but we can feel like a princess if we want to feel like a princess. So yeah, it comes from within. Try to be positive in front of people. Try to be positive in front of you also. Like if you are standing in front of a mirror, try to talk positively to yourself so that you can spread that positivity to others as well. And that, my friend, is a very attractive nature. So those were some of the tips and tricks that you can start doing from today to look a little more elevated and a little more gorgeous. All of you girls out there are gorgeous from within. You just have to believe in yourself, and you just have to put a little bit of effort to look a little bit gorgeous. So that was the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know in the comment section below which tips and tricks you like the most and which are the tips that you are going to incorporate in your life from today. So that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and hit on the bell notification to get notified every time I come up with a new video. You can always follow me on Instagram, as I'm totally active there. And till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay positive. I will see you guys on my next one.